Very well then. Let's get started. So we'll start with the introductions, please. Mini Taroleros.
My name is Sara Osanari, and I am studying biotech.
Look at parents in the seats.
Hello, I am meeting number 2, also known as Magishe. And my major is chemistry.
Hello, I am medium 3. My name is Didi, and my major is biological sciences.
Cytoscience. I am Fede, and my major is biotechnology.
Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm also in biotech.
Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm also
Very well, thank you guys. You know the rules already? More or less, you saw us playing. So you are all collective. Wait. Very well. So then let's get started. Thumbs up question number 1. In chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following properties is generally characteristic of metals? Is it A, high heat conductivity, B, low electrical conductivity, C, high first ionization energies, or D, tendency to form negative ions? Marisha? A is correct. Bonus question. In chemistry, short answer. What separation technique would effectively separate a 50-50 mixture of ethanol and water? No, you can discuss on this. So, if you know,
So you're like the
yes,
distillation?
distillation is correct. Well, your thus of question number 2, chemistry, multiple choice. If an endothermic reaction is an equilibrium, how will the equilibrium shift if the temperature is raised? Is it A, toward the reactants, B, toward the products, C, toward both the reactants and the products, or D, it will not shift in either direction? Let's check.
To our products,
So the products is correct. Your bonus question. Math. Short answer. If f of x equals x squared minus 3 and g of x equals 6. Oh, sorry.
6 of what? Can you repeat?
I'll repeat myself. If f of x equals x squared minus 3 and g of x equals c minus the square root of x, what is the value of f of g of 16? Anyone else trying to be around? I'm afraid I won't know.
Sorry?
You're working on it?
Yes.
Awesome. You're, you're asking guys?
C squared minus 8C plus 13.
What did you say? Sorry, I didn't catch that.
C squared
Uh-huh.
minus 8C plus 13.
That is correct.
That's our question. In chemistry. Multiple choice, I know. Assuming a temperature where the net magnetic moment is non-zero. Which of the following types of magnetism will have the weakest external field? Is it A, antiferromagnetism, B, ferromagnetism, C, paramagnetism, or D, diamagnetism? Okay, correct. That is incorrect.
Could you repeat the question, please?
Assuming a temperature where the net magnetic moment is non-zero, which you cannot discuss among yourselves. Is non-zero, which of the following types of magnetism will have the weakest external field? Is it A, antiferromagnetism, B, ferromagnetism, C, paramagnetism, or D, diamagnetism?
Is it?
Okay, so A is correct. Bonus question in math, short answer. If a family has 4 children.
Sorry, that was.
Wrong. If a family has 4 children, what is the probability of having exactly 3 girls? If a family has 4 children, what is the probability of having exactly 3 girls?
Porque sería uno. O sea, la total.
Your answer?
Los entrevistas.
No.
Es la repetición. Esto te lo hace bien. Entonces, de que puede ser hombre, mujer, todas.
Okay, your answer is?
Okay. Ajá. 530. 25%.
That's 25%?
Yeah.
That's correct. That's a question. In chemistry. From Dr. Kathy.
Oh. Yo confío en ustedes.
What is the reagent used to oxidize a primary alcohol to an aldehyde? What is the reagent used to oxidize a primary alcohol to an aldehyde? Reagent to oxidize a primary alcohol to an aldehyde.
You can discuss among
You
yourselves.
cannot discuss about it. Yes. Yes, Dee,
I'm just gonna go ahead and say sulfuric acid concentrated.
that is incorrect. Yes,
Maybe it's easy.
PCC is correct. Very well. Your bonus question in chemistry. Name of the functional group contained in the molecule CH3COCl. Again, from Dr. Heck. The functional group contained in the molecule CH3COCl. In that molecule. CH3COCl.
Can we have like a switch?
To the restroom.
You need to switch from someone quickly, yes.
He's an order.
You spare, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and your answer, that's not correct. Anyone, audience?
Could you read?
Yes, Magnus? It's not an answer. Acid chloride is right. Hang on. Lots of questions. In physics, short answer. Which element was first discovered by observing its spectral lines in the solar atmosphere? Which element? Karen,
Helium?
you said what? Helium? Helium is correct. Your bonus question. In physics, short answer. You need to write it. A 2 kilogram object experiences a force with respect to time according to the relationship. The relation F equals 4t newtons from time t equals 0 seconds to time t equals 3 seconds. What is the impulse that the object experiences in kilogram meters per second during these 3 seconds? I'll read it again. A 2 kilogram object
The time?
experiences a force with respect to time according to the relation F equals 4t newtons from time t equals 0 seconds to time t equals 3 seconds. What is the impulse that the object experiences in kilogram meters per second during these 3 seconds? You guys, your best attempts. Remember, your answer should be in kilogram meters per second. Yes, one last time. A 2 kilogram object experiences a force with respect to time according to the following relation. F equals 14 newtons.
14. No, 40.
4T. Remember, that's
Okay,
four times.
4 times T. Okay.
From time t equals 0 seconds, time or t equals 3 seconds.
Okay.
What is the impulse
Thank you.
that the object experiences? Yes, very, very clear. I should have made that more clear. It's terrible that sounds like 40. It's 4, the number 4 times t. Ah,
That was like
yeah, yes, I think yeah, from t equals 0 to t equals 3. Already like. You want the audience is playing. Point 626 is incorrect. Anyone want to give it a try? The correct answer is 18. Moving on. Sorry, that one. 18 is the correct answer. Just a question. I guess general science. For the purpose, and it's short answer. For the purpose of math education at the Botanic Garden, what geometric shape can the golden barrel cactus? That's this, check. Sphere. Sphere is correct. Well, you have to come to the top to know these things, right? Okay, your bonus question. Short answer in biology. Besides Anura and Caudata, besides Anura and Caudata, what other order is included within the class Amphibia? Provide either the common scientific name. Besides Anura and Caudata, which are protozoans and salamanders, what other order is included within the class Amphibia?
Can I give a tip or can
What was that?
I give a tip or can you?
I already gave it away. I mean, it is.
We have one in the lab.
Oh, I thought you were. Oh,
What is the actual?
that is incorrect. So axolotls are within Caudata. There's another. So for the audience, thank you. Tyrannus is incorrect. We're very close, but yes. Cecilia's is correct. Cecilia's for so Tyranny is a subgroup. That was not mine, by the way. Also, question in physics, multiple choice. A charged particle moves through an area of space at a constant speed and direction. Which of the following statements is true? A, there is no magnetic field. B, there could be magnetic and electric fields oriented in the same direction. C, there could be magnetic and electric fields oriented perpendicularly to one another. Or D, there could be magnetic and electric fields oriented opposite to one another. Check.
Sí.
And C is correct. Your bonus question there. In physics, short answer. A household appliance runs on 120 volts and has an internal resistance of 100 ohms. Providing your answer to the nearest integer, how much power in watts does this appliance use?
How many volts?
120.
And how many?
100 ohms. 120 volts. Resistance of 100 ohms. And the question is, how much power in watts does this appliance use? You guys are generally doing really well, you know, so the audience almost has like no.
Could you repeat once again the question, please?
Household appliance, 120 volt, 100 ohms. To the nearest integer, how much power in watts does this appliance use?
It's the toss of bacon.
No, this is the vote.
Oh, it's one.
And your answer is.
Welcome.
1200 is incorrect. Anyone? Any better attempts? So the correct answer is 144. 144. Okay, lots of question. In physics, multiple choice. Wait, 1 second. Which of the following is true of beta particles?
I know that's me.
Is it
Yeah.
A, they have a charge equal and opposite to alpha particles? B, they are more penetrating than gamma particles of the same energy? C, they are common decay products of alpha particles? Or D, they can be electrons or positons? Which of those is true? Yes, C. Okay, C is incorrect.
Could you repeat number D again, please? Letters.
Okay. B, they are more penetrating than gamma particles of the same energy.
Oh, D, sorry,
Oh, do you want a D?
D, oh, thanks, sir.
They can be electrons or positons. Oh, 1 in 3 chance.
Letter B?
B is also incorrect.
She said the.
So we give it a chance for the audience. Which of the following is true of beta particles? Yes. D, they can be electrons or positons, that is correct. We continue with those of question 9. In physics, multiple choice. An elephant steps on an electrical extension cord. It is connected to a lit lamp. Assuming that the lamp remains plugged in, and the cord unbroken, which of the following happens to the light intensity coming from the lamp? Is it A, it goes out, B, it becomes dimmer, C, it becomes brighter, or D, it's unchanged? Yes, Karen, it becomes brighter, that is incorrect.
It's
Yeah,
it's
okay.
it's the same.
It stays the same? It's unchanged, that is correct. Next question is physics. Short answer. If a fuse can dissipate 600 watts of power without blowing, how much current in amperes can it pass at 120 volts without melting? So a fuse can dissipate 600 watts of power without blowing. How much current in amperes can it pass at 120 volts without melting?
I would say 5.
5 is correct. So the preliminary round for STEM is going to be 10 questions, so the next one is the last. So question, math, short answer. If the median of the 5 numbers 1, 7, 14, 28, and x is 10, what is x? If the median of the 5 numbers 1, 7, 14, 28, and x, you cannot talk among yourself, is 10, what is x?
Next, right?
This one is so easy, right? D, yes. That is correct. Like, it's not the mean, right? It's the only one that's missing. Your bonus question in math. Short answer. To what value does the geometric series that starts with 1/3, 1/9, and 1/27, so it's 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27 plus, and so on. To what value does that converge? I'll say it again. To what value does the series that goes 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27 plus, and then continues, to what value does that converge?
Sí, pero esa es así, y va a converger. Eso porque quiero una-
Half of these questions are just to make it fun for Dr. Paris. That's it.
Yeah, a lot for fun for the participants.
Well, hopefully you can take it.
I have the questions,
Ah, exacto. ¿De qué más te pasan de físico? Puras preguntas de
La neta.
Your answer is
What half?
1/2 is correct. So maybe a little for the winners. You may take it. So. The idea is two more. Yes. Well, let's see one. I'm going to use this. So, that's my team versus. I need someone quick to help keeping track of. Have two more games. Okay, people stick around. This. So, if we check. Going to add teams. Well, actually, we don't. Let's just. So can you keep track of? Okay. Okay. Tenía miedo a los. Si yo fuera el pele, tenía miedo a los. Okay. Everyone is asking, so can we go to the? Cuando jugaste con nosotros. Minor. Señoras, resultados ingenieros labs. One more game, Los Penos versus Competitive. Atomic bombs and the antibody bodies will see you on Friday. Okay? Unless anyone can. That's the plan. Okay. Ready? So, yeah.
Porque no quieren que los agreguen.
So, can we go back to the bracket things? So do we have atomic bombs and antibody buddies here today?
Yes.
Both things are here?
Yes.
So you are, okay, then you're playing today. Okay, this one. That's all. Yeah, it's one of the things I have to do, so. It's what happens to others. Okay, very well. So, yes, it's 10 points for every correct answer, -5 if they ever made. Don't worry too much. We'll keep you. I mean, if you can do it, you can try. But you never had a good race. Okay. Okay, today for the STEM round. Let's get started then. Toss-up questions. Number 1, in biology, multiple choice. Okay. A man with an X-linked dominant trait has children with a female who is homozygous recessive for the traits. Which of the following proportions of his offspring will be affected by the traits? Is it A, all of his children, male or female? B, all his male children? C, all his female children? And D, half of his female children? And Max,
All his male children.
that is incorrect. And Magnolia,
All his female.
all his female children is correct. For bonus question, in biology, short answer. Name. That's fine. Name 3 of the 5 structural characteristics shared by all chordata at some point in their life cycle. Name 3 of the 5 structural characteristics shared by all chordates or chordata at some point in their life cycle. Think of the Ramos one. And 3 characteristics shared by all chordates at some point during their life cycle. No. There's 5 in my list, but you only need to have 3. Chordate, yes.
Maybe the first question.
And your answer is? These structural characteristics shared by all chordates. Cycle. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's time, guys.
Not to court.
Notochord is 1.
Placenta.
What's that?
Placenta.
And what else? Those are incorrect. So yes,
Rachel sleeps the vestigial tail and the notebook.
okay, yes, but not vestigial necessarily.
Of the
Full thing, nothing, yes. I'm not okay. Also acceptable would be endocile and dorsal bone network. Of course. Very well. Also, question number 2 in biology, multiple choice. In the lab, you engineer a gene so that it is specifically expressed in pancreatic cells. Which of the following aspects of the gene did you likely adjust? Is it A, intron sequences, B, 5' UTR sequences, C, translational start sequences, or D, promoter sequences? Please. Promoter sequences? Promoter sequences is correct. Your bonus question. In biology, multiple choice. Which, and you have to be quicker because it's multiple. Which of the following is an example of a protein with quaternary structure? A, myoglobin. B, hemoglobin. C, cytochrome C, or D, chymotrypsin? Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is correct. Also, question number 3 in math. Short answer. The graph of the following equation is an example of what conic section? 2x squared equals 2y squared plus 13. Yes, the graph of the following equation is an example of what conic section? 2x squared equals 2y squared plus 13. You cannot talk about okay, so close the question. Buzz in if you know the answer. Buzz, buzz, buzz. And the audience says, yes, hyperbole is correct. Just question number 4. In chemistry, multiple choice. A reaction is carried out in a constant pressure calorimeter. Appropriate measurements are taken and the energy for the change is calculated. The quantity of heat exchanged under this condition leads to the calculation of which of the following state functions. Is it A, delta Q, B, delta E, C, delta H, or D, delta T?
Is it delta T?
Wait, Mac. What's the
Yeah,
answer?
delta Q.
Delta Q is incorrect. Is that right? And Maya? No, wait. No, but Mac already had a chance, so you want? Delta H is correct. Then the bonus question in chemistry. Short answer. Identify the number of pi bonds respectively in the following. Number 1, formaldehyde. Number 2, sulfate ion. And number 3, acetylene. So I'll repeat. Identify the number of pi bonds respectively in the following. Formaldehyde, sulfate ion, and acetylene. Anyone else in the audience? Okay, you guys ready? Yes, so formaldehyde first. Okay. Good. And then sulfate ion. Okay, and one. That's incorrect. So we have. What's that? 1, 2. That is also incorrect. I'm going to and 1. That is also incorrect. 1, 2, and 2 is correct. Very well. Toss-up question number 5. In physics, short answer. An electric field is pointing to the right. A particle is placed inside the electric field and it moves to the left. What is the type of charge of the particle? Yes, one. Electron? Electron is incorrect. Well,
But it could be.
no, it asks for the type of charge. So Max,
It's positive.
that is also incorrect. So, but, what's that? Negative is correct. Yes, but it says, what is the type of charge of the particle? You don't- Most common. I don't know, I mean, it's not like that answer this question.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
No. Repeat it or? They get electron.
And what did you sign for the factor that later? Yes.
Okay, so we can take it. Bonus question. Then. Which cytoskeletal filament is primarily responsible for maintaining cell shape and resisting mechanical stress? And mention 2 examples of the proteins that comprise the filaments. What cytoskeletal filament is primarily responsible for maintaining cell shape and resisting mechanical stress? Mention 2 examples of the proteins that comprise the filaments. They get a minute to figure it out and it goes right to. What cytoskeletal filament is primarily responsible for maintaining cell shape and resisting mechanical stress? And mention 2 examples of the proteins that comprise the filaments. So you want to give it a try?
Yes.
And what is it then? Okay, so the type of filament is?
And actin antibodies.
That is incorrect. Anyone else? Yes?
Could be intermediate filaments.
Uh-huh.
Actin and myosin.
That is also incorrect. Intermediate filament is correct. But the proteins keratin, biotin, yes, and glial fibrillary acid. So those were, they also answered to this. Yes, this is by the way, Dr. Petris. Also question number 6. In biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following is not a common method by which ion channels are gated? Is it A, osmolarity, B, voltage, C, mechanical, and D, lighting? Okay, Luis, mechanical. Mechanical is incorrect. Oh, yes, sir.
It's 8.
A, osmolarity, that's correct. The bonus question then, in biology, multiple choice. Which of the following is not an energy source for active transport across a membrane? Is it A, electrochemical gradient of a different molecule? B, light? C, RAS proteins? Or D, ATP?
It's light.
That is incorrect.
Wait, it's not?
It's not, yes. Multiple choice, which of the following is not an energy source for active transport across a membrane? And options are electrochemical gradient of a different molecule, light, RNase proteins, and ATP. Yes,
C.
C, RNase proteins is correct. Also, question number 7 in physics, not answered. What are the units of the dielectric constant? What are the units of the dielectric constant? No, no. No, no. Three, two, one, audience. Ooh, Matt,
Kilojoules per mole.
that is incorrect. And the audience, yes. That is incorrect. One more try. Yes. It has no units. Biology, short answer. What is the name of the hormone that controls metamorphosis in amphibians? What is the name of the hormone that controls metamorphosis in amphibians?
We don't have to.
No, no, it's just. Audience, yes. That is incorrect. Yeah. What's that? Growth hormone is incorrect. Back there. Thyroxine? Thyroxine is correct.
Oh.
And that's what it says here. Thyroxine. Thyroid hormone. Oh,
But I mean, it's to be the thyroid hormone.
okay, we'll take thyroid hormone. Yes. We'll accept both, but both okay. Also question number 9, in physics, short answer, in physics. Applying Bernoulli's principle to vortices, when in a vortex, should the pressure be highest? Where in a vortex should the pressure be highest? Applying Bernoulli's principle. Okay,
At the center of the book.
the center is correct. We will to bonus question in physics, short answer. Providing your answer as a decimal rounded to the nearest step. If a normal force of 1 Newton is applied to the end of a fixed cylinder with a radius of 1 meter, what pressure in pascals is induced in the cylinder. Again, a normal force of 1 Newton is applied to the end of a fixed cylinder with a radius of 1 meter. What pressure in pascals is induced in a cylinder?
We don't get it.
Everyone,
No, wait.
responded to. Okay.
Y yo haciendo mi tarea.
Anyone?
Nada más voy a decir.
Audience?
El cilindro.
Yes. Point three is correct.
I haven't really did it. No.
That's a new man.
Okay, last one, so
Yeah.
okay. Physics. Good choice. We actually use that one.
You know,
Actually, chemistry. No, good choice. Which following substances has the highest boiling point? You see, A, water, B, methanol, C, ethyl alcohol, or D, diethyl ether. Math.
Water.
Water. Question. In chemistry, short answer. The pressure of 2 moles of an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius is 1.2 atmospheres. Providing your answer to the nearest 10. If the temperature is increased by 100 degrees Celsius and the volume of the gas doubles, what is the new pressure of the gas in atmospheres? So the pressure of 2 moles of an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius is 1.2 atmospheres. If the temperature is increased by 100 degrees Celsius and the volume of the gas doubles, what is the new pressure of the gas in atmosphere? 1 decimal. Right, but you cannot change one.
In what unit or what?
So it started at 1.1. It went from 27 and 100 Celsius and the volume increased. Two point one. 2.1 is incorrect. We have- Correct answer is 0.8.
43.
Okay, well, in that case, los pipeteros win. We still need to add the last time. Yeah, they make-
Buenas señoras.
Señoras.
Yes. Thank you. Then we call last, we call forward the PPT, hold on. It's PTT versus Los Fenos. We won the three. And Los Fenos, please. Go for it. Oh, wait, yes, no, atomic bonds and the antibody bodies, yes, thank you. And if anyone wants to exchange your yellow ticket, you can do it right now. If anyone needs to leave. So come on, guys.
Which one is it? Atomic bonds versus
The antibody bodies and atomic bonds. Yes. You're not in, in another team? No. Okay.
Luz, ¿cuál es usted?
Los antibody bodies.
Well, I have this. Don't worry, we can do that. It's different. That's that part of the copy, which is Russian. It was fun. But it's like. But okay, so we'll just go ahead and get started because time's of the essence. Very well. For the third game of the day, first toss of question, math. multiple choice. How many two-digit positive integers have at least 1 6 as a digit? One number 6 as a digit. How many two-digit positive integers have at least one number 6 as a digit? Okay, Luz? Incorrect. And Michelle?
9.
9 is also incorrect. Yes, how many two-digit positive integers have at least 1 6 as a digit? They tried. No, it's higher. It's a tricky here, but yes. 18 is correct. Very well. Stop the question number 2. In chemistry. Short answer. Give the name of the group of elements that have high melting points, are electropositive, and are frequently used in lasers and television sets. Give the name of the group of elements that have high melting points, are electropositive, and are frequently used in lasers and television sets. Yes, Julio.
Transition metals?
Transition metals is incorrect. Huh? Halogens is incorrect.
Double gas?
Noble gases is incorrect. Just got out of the whole thing. Right? Yeah. That is also incorrect. Yeah. Then you guys one from the.
Rare earth? Rare earth?
Well, what I have, and you might spend a lot of time here, but lanthanides. Okay. Thoughts of question number 3. In biology, multiple choice. Which of the following is not an example of a human disease caused by a recessive allele that fails to produce a viable cellular protein? Is it A, Turner's syndrome, B, Tay-Sachs, C, cystic fibrosis, and D, phenylketonuria? Again, which of the following is not an example of a human disease caused by a recessive allele that fails to produce a viable cellular protein? A, Turner syndrome, B, Tay-Sachs, C, cystic fibrosis, and D, phenylketonuria. And Memo. That is incorrect. And Angie. Which would be Tay-Sachs, that is also incorrect. B, which is phenylketonuria, now incorrect also. Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is one of those chromosomal abnormalities, right? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Also, question number 4, linguistics, multiple choice. As an object falls to the earth with air resistance present, what happens to the acceleration of the object? Is it A, it remains a constant 9.8 meters per second squared. B, it increases from 0 to 9.8 meters per second squared. C, it remains at a constant 0 meters per second squared. Or D, it decreases from 9.8 to 0 meters per second squared. And Julio, B, what's that?
B, letter B.
Letter B, that is incorrect. And Luz,
It decreases.
decreases is correct, it decreases from 9.8 to 0 meters per second. So I never had questions in astronomy, but I did. In astronomy, short answer. What is the astronomical distance at which a star would have a parallax of 1 arc second? You can discuss among yourselves. What is the astronomical distance at which a star would have a parallax of 1 arc second? It's frequently used in science fiction. And I can say anything.
Wait, can you?
Discuss among yourselves. Okay. What is the astronomical distance at which a star would have a parallax of 1 arc second? Frequently used in science fiction.
It's like in years, like years.
Light years is incorrect. So I think I saw your hand go up first.
Is it 1 light year?
That is also correct. Here you have an answer. No. In science fiction. Parsec. Parsecs. You know, the Millennium Falcon did whatever run in right? Okay. That's of question number 5. This one, guys, this one, you gotta. What is the purpose of the PCR and which enzyme is crucial to its function? Luz.
Is the polymerase and its purpose is to replicate DNA.
You need to do a little bit better than that. You need to elaborate on that part also.
So they use DNA polymerase in order to replicate bases and replicate DNA to have more DNA.
You're almost right, Who else? Dr. Ramos, what do you think? PCR, replicate DNA, and she's saying DNA polymerase. It's a technicality, because, okay, but what DNA polymerase, and I'll give a point to you. What DNA polymerase? I think it's close enough either way. But we were coming else to clarify, but we'll give them the points. That polymerase, which stack stands for? Yes.
But they could have answered?
They do get the points.
No, the other team?
No, because like, we're counting is as correct.
Oh.
It's close enough. It's close enough because it does do that and it is DNA polymerase, so we're making. Your bonus question. According to Dr. Carol Perelman's talk on planetary health, what is a technical term for a disease that is transferred from an animal host to humans? Zoonosis is correct. You have it. So we can vote. Also, question number 6 in biology, multiple choice. Which of the following is not a common method by which ion channels, oh no, we did that one. Never mind. No, this is me, not out. Oh, yeah, you can just go back in, so remove him and then,
Sí, claro. ¿Listo?
Bien. Be behind your phone, because we.
Ajá. Yo lo tengo.
Okay, so question 6 in chemistry, short answer. What element has the lowest boiling point? What element has the lowest boiling point? Memo. Right. That's incorrect. And Angie, yes? What's that? Cesium is incorrect from the audience. Helium is correct. On total 7 for in biology, short answer. Submandibular, parotid, and lingual are adjectives referring to which type of gland? Memo. Salivary. Salivary is correct. Your bonus question in biology, short answer. By name or number, identify all of the following 5 events that could trigger secondary succession. I'm not telling you 5 things. Which of those can trigger secondary succession? 1, forest fire. 2, hurricane. 3, lava flow. 4, flood. And 5, tsunami. That one? Event that can trigger secondary succession. Which of these is there? Forest fire, hurricane, lava flow, floods, and tsunami. I'll say. Yeah. Out of those 5, which ones are?
First,
That is incorrect.
Secondary.
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 Yes.
So it's,
No, this was a
Sorry.
bonus question, right?
Yeah.
so it's volcano, forest fire and flood and river, right?
No. Exactly, volcano is the only primary of them.
Lava flows is primary.
Yeah, it's the only primary because it wipes out everything. So it starts from scratch. So that was correct. We get one. Those of 8 in biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why water molds are not classified as fungi? Is it A? They have cell walls of cellulose and produce motile spores. B. They are decomposers. C. They are multinucleates. And D. They have cell walls of chitin and when aggregated function like a multicellular organism. Okay. Becca?
Hey.
Oh, okay. A, they have cell walls of cellulose and produce motile spores. That is correct. Your bonus question in biology. Short answer. By name or number, identify all of the following 5 choices that are considered embryophyta. 1. Gymnosperms. 2. Diatoms. 3. Mosses. 4. Dinoflagellates. And 5. Ferns. So out of those 5, which ones are embryophyta? And it is gymnosperms, diatoms, mosses, dinoflagellates, and ferns. Finally, a math question.
This year is a lot. Which was the year that?
This game has a lot of biology, so. Those are embryophyta? That is incorrect. So again, out of gymnosperms, diatoms, mosses, dinoflagellates, and ferns, which of those are embryophyta? Yes.
Moses.
And so those, which of those? Mention all of those from that list.
Say mosses and ferns.
That is incorrect. It would have to be, huh? You wanted to?
And mosses like Jack. Like that.
It's gymnosperms, mosses, and ferns. Because embryophyta is another word for plants. So we talk about plants. And diatoms and dinoflagellates are not. Okay. So question 9, in biology, multiple choice. Digoxin from the digitalis plant slows the reuptake of calcium by the sarcoplasmic reticulum. What is the effect of this on the strength and rate of heart contraction? Is it A, strengthens and slows the heartbeat? B, strengthens and speeds the heartbeat? C, weakens and slows the heartbeat? Or D, weakens and speeds the heartbeat? So again, dioxin slows the reuptake of calcium by the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And the options are strengthens and slows, strengthens and speeds, weakens and slows, weakens and speeds. Yes, ma'am. Oh, wait, we had Angie goes in first. Did you? Me too, okay.
Yes. So, it was the C.
See, weakens and slows, that is incorrect. So go ahead, Noah. D, weakens and speeds, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is what? One more try by the audience. B is already correct. The answer is A, it strengthens and slows the heart. Then, the final question of the game. Biology, multiple choice. We can put it in, you know. I have my doubts. No, not really. Well, no, because it's a toss-up, so whoever's fastest, be ready. So biology, multiple choice. Members of the order Hypnofiona, otherwise known as reptilians, do not have which of the following? A, poison glands. B, teeth. C, elongated organs. Or D, legs. And Becca. Or yes. B, T, that is incorrect. Angie, what's that? D, legs, that is correct. Your bonus question in chemistry, short answer, and you can discuss, of course. What is the common name given to the industrial reaction in which nitrogen and hydrogen are reacted with a catalyst forming ammonia? Other source of fertilizers, explosives. Yes. What is the common name given to the industrial reaction in which nitrogen and hydrogen are reacted with a catalyst forming ammonia? Even the audience is. Again, can give you a push, like named after the person who first discovered it and then developed it. Okay. Want to try a guess or? Okay, the audience? Yes, what's that? No. But what is upper wash? Yeah, upper wash, or I had time to process, but yeah. Okay, so that's it. And our winners for today are the.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. I also love them.
They didn't know it, I just think you can. So. For the blue ones. Anyone have yellow tickets they want to see? Answer to me. She wasn't giving. Thanks. Yeah, we need to figure out So these are your Okay. I have more pens than I started with. So. This is the nice one. That will.